Intelligent Vehicle Series products. Battery module can be combined with the product, which provides strong power. Wireless tire pump. When the tire pressure is insufficient, Intelligent Inflator Pump can provide efficient service. Battery module is rotationally connected with the inflator pump to provide strong power. At the top, there are night lights. Strong momentum, quick air filling. Preset tire pressure, stop when it's full. Inflatable bags and other products can be inflated. It can inflate bicycles and balls. It can meet the inflatable needs in life. Wireless vacuum cleaner. Well designed with every detail. Battery module is connected to the vacuum. It can be assembled as a fishing lamp. It can be combined with lampshade instantly into highlight. Able to provide high brightness lighting for a variety of life scenes. Battery module integrated with the vehicle mobile phone bracket. Support a mobile phone to wireless charge, which under 6.7. Intelligent chips can precisely control voltage and current. USB output can power digital devices. DC output interface can supply power for vehicle electrical appliances. Professional storage bag, small and exquisite,